Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. This is going to be a quick video about changing and installing custom themes in VS Code. So I have a simple file open here with 3 print statements in Python. This is the default theme of VS Code at the time of this recording. Let's say I wanted to change it. One thing I can do is I can go to File and go to Preferences, and then go over here down to Themes and select my color theme. And I can go along here, and let's say I wanted to select Monokai. Okay, I could do that, and then it changes the color of my theme. Now, if I want to install additional color themes, I can go here to my extensions, and I can go up to this little icon right here, click on that, and go on down to Category. Once that drop-down menu comes down, I can select Themes down here, and that's going to select the most popular themes, and I can go along here, and let's say I wanted to do this One Dark Pro theme. I could click on that. If I wanted to find out about the theme, I could click here, and that's going to give me information about the theme, the GitHub repo, version history, questions and answers, if there are any, and ratings and reviews. Okay, if I do want to install it, I can click Install. Once it installs, a lot of themes have different versions here, so I can select a different version, and then you'll see it changes the color palette. Okay, I can also select light themes, so I can do Control-K-T. That's the shortcut to get to color themes, so Control-K, Control-T. I just hold down Control and hit KT. And I can select, for instance, maybe the light modern theme, because that records a little bit better. All right, so I can select this. Let's say I want that for recording videos because it's easy to see and it shows more definition of the letters and that kind of thing, at least in my mind. I would select that. You can also select icon themes. So if I go back to File, Preferences, go to Themes, and I could go to File Icon Theme, and you see we have a few different ones here. If I'm on SETI, I could click Minimal, and that gives me a minimal icon theme here. Okay. If I want to go back to that, I think there is a shortcut. I don't change my icon theme very much. Actually, there isn't, but you could set one. So File Icon Theme. I could click to install additional File Icon themes, and you've got a bunch here that you could potentially install, like VS Code icons. Let's take a look at that. I could check this out. Note, okay, it's free. Yeah, let's try this one out. Click Install. It's going to ask me if I trust the publisher. So you do want to make sure that you trust the theme you're installing. I had previously installed the One Dark Pro, but it would ask for that one. Some of the ones I think directly made from Microsoft, it doesn't ask this. But you do want to make sure you trust the publisher, just so that you get a theme without anything malicious in it. I'm going to say trust publisher and install here. But you can, of course, make your decision on VS Code icons yourself. I'm going to select that. And then here we go. We got some different icons here. That's pretty cool. Well, that's cool and all. I really don't need it. So let's say I wanted to uninstall that. Well, I can just look at my installed extensions. I can get rid of my recommended. And I can go down here and let's say I want to get rid of this one. I'm just going to select uninstall. Sometimes it's going to prompt you to restart extensions. So I can click restart the extensions. If I go back here, I can see I've got my base icons. I think this is the SETI theme. And yeah, so there you go. That's how you install and change themes and uninstall themes on VS Code. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, as that will help this video get out to more like-minded people. Thank you.